Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and to do it you can press the crown button and then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the alarm icon. And once you find it, this one, tap on it to open the alarm menu. And if you don't have any alarms set up, you will see this alarm button. You can tap on it, add alarm by button. And now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off, and we can swipe up and down on hours and minutes. So set the time of the alarm and then tap on the check mark. And now we can select the days on which the alarm will be active. And you can basically check them by tapping on them, like that. You can also add the alarm name. Okay. Here you have it. And once you're done checking the days and setting the name, you can tap on OK, and the alarm will be created. And here we can turn it on or off. You can also add another alarm if you want to, like this. You can remove the alarms by tapping on one and tapping on delete. And you can also edit the alarm. So if you tap on one, you can edit the time, repeat option, and the name if you like to. And of course, once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.